In this video, we have an equation with some rational expressions. It's 2 over y plus 5 over 2 equals 4 minus 2 over 3y. So just the part in black is the equation. What we want to do is clear the fractions by multiplying through by the lowest common denominator. And that will clear out the denominators of the fractions. The lowest common denominator is that lowest expression that can be divided evenly by every one of the denominators. So y will go into 6y, 2 will go into 6y, and 3y will go into 6y evenly. And so that will be our lowest common denominator. We'll multiply everything by that 6y. Here's what happens then. 2 over y times 6y cancels out the y's, and we get 2 times 6 is 12. 5 over 2 times 6y has us cancel a 2 out of the denominator and the numerator. Leaves just 3y there, so we have 5 times 3y equals 15y. 4 times 6y is 24y, and 2 over 3y times 6y over 1 has us canceling the y's. It also has us cancel a 3 out of the denominator and the numerator. So we just have negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. So now we have 12 plus 15y equals 24y minus 4. We don't have any denominators. We don't have any fractions anymore. So that's great. Now what we need to do is get all the variable terms on one side and the constant terms on the other. I have chosen to put the variable terms on the right-hand side just so I don't have to have any negative numbers. Negative numbers are no big deal, but I think for teaching purposes, sometimes it's easier for students to not have negative numbers. So I'll subtract 15y from this side to get rid of the positive 15y. And whatever you do to one side, you've got to do to the other. Well, because I'm leaving the variable terms on the right-hand side, then we need to get rid of this constant term of negative 4 that's on the right-hand side. So the opposite of negative 4 is positive 4. Add 4 to each side. And we have 12 plus 4 is 16. And 24y minus 15y is 9y. Last step, divide each side by the coefficient. That's 9. And so 16 divided by 9 equals y. I hope that helps.